Imagine creating a complete professional coloring book in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee, and then selling it worldwide on Amazon. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, even if you've never made a book before. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact steps to use an AI tool to design a 20-page coloring book with a flowing story and consistent characters in just one click. Prepare it for publishing. List it on Amazon KDP so anyone can buy it, and you can start earning passive income. The tool we're using is coloringbook.ai, and it's a game changer for beginners. You can start with your own photos or simply type in a story idea, and it will instantly create beautiful line art ready for printing. I'll walk you through everything. No confusing software, no design skills needed. So if you've ever wanted to turn creativity into income, grab your notebook, because we're about to create and publish a coloring book in under 8 minutes. Let's jump in. First, head over to coloringbook.ai in your browser. No complicated downloads. It works entirely online, which means you can use it on almost any computer or tablet. On the home page, you'll see 3 main options: photo to coloring page, upload a photo, and the AI transforms it into clean, printable line art. Text to coloring page. Type in a description like a playful puppy chasing butterflies in a garden, and watch it generate an illustration instantly. Coloring book generator. This is the magic button that creates an entire 20-page coloring book with consistent characters and a flowing story in one click. If you're new, I recommend creating a free account so you can save your projects. Sign up is quick, just an email and password. Once you're in, the interface is simple. On the left, you choose your tool. In the middle, you'll see your project preview. On the right, you'll have options to tweak prompts, styles, and settings. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to use the coloring book generator to go from an idea to a full, ready-to-sell book. Now for the part you've been waiting for, creating an entire 20-page coloring book in just one click with today's sponsor, coloringbook.ai. This tool is the heart of our process, and honestly, it's a game changer. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along. Step 1. Choose your book. Theme click on Coloring Book Generator. Here, you'll see a text box where you can describe the theme of your book. Let's say I want a children's story about a curious cat who travels through magical worlds. Step 2. Add story flow. Below the prompt, you can add a short outline of your story. For example, page 1, the cat finds a mysterious door. Page 5, the cat sails across a chocolate river. Page 10, the cat meets a talking parrot. The AI will use this to make each page connect smoothly. Step 3, generate your book. Hit the Create Book button and wait a few seconds. Boom! 20 fully illustrated pages appear in your preview window, each matching your style and story perfectly. You can scroll through to see how the scenes evolve while keeping the same characters. Step 4. Using your own photos. If you want something more personal, you can combine this with the photo to coloring page feature. For example, upload a picture of your pet and then use that image as the main character in your story. The AI will adapt it into line art and keep it consistent across all pages. Step 5. Make quick edits. If you spot anything you want to tweak, maybe adjust the background or change a detail, click Regenerate for that page. It's super fast, so you're never stuck with something you don't like. Step 6. Download your book. When you're happy, hit Download and choose PDF for printing or PNG for digital. For Amazon KDP, PDF is the best option, as it's ready to upload without losing quality. And that's it, from a simple idea to a polished professional coloring book in minutes. This is why I love coloringbook.ai. It makes the entire creative process effortless, even for beginners. Before your coloring book can go live on Amazon, it needs to meet KDP's file requirements. The good news is that coloringbook.ai already does most of the heavy lifting for you. Step 1. Set the page size. Amazon KDP supports multiple sizes for coloring books, but the most popular is 8.5 by 11 inches. When downloading your PDF from coloringbook.ai, make sure to select this size so you won't need extra formatting later. Step 2. Check bleed settings. If your illustrations go right to the edge of the page, you'll need a bleed file. Coloringbook.ai lets you choose this when generating or downloading. If your pages are just centered images with white borders, choose No Bleed instead. Step 3. Cover design. KDP requires a separate PDF for the cover. You can create this using free tools like Canva. Just enter Amazon KDP cover in the search bar, choose your trim size, 8.5 by 11, and design something eye-catching. Include your title, subtitle, and author name. Step 4. File review. Open your PDF in a viewer to ensure every page is crisp and properly aligned. If any page looks low resolution or fuzzy, go back into coloringbook.ai and re-download at 300 dpi, the standard for print quality. Step 5. Save and organize. You should now have 2 files: interior PDF, your coloring pages; cover PDF, front, spine, and back. With these 2 files ready, you're all set to upload to KDP, which I'll walk you through in the next section. Head to kdp.amazon.com and sign in or create a free account. Click Create, Paperback, then enter your book title, subtitle, and author name. In the interior section, upload your PDF coloring book file. For the cover, upload your KDP cover PDF. Choose black and white interior with white paper to keep printing costs low. Set your price. Most coloring books sell between $6.99 and $9.99. Finally, click Publish, and within 72 hours your book will be live on Amazon for anyone to buy worldwide. Next, let's wrap up and give viewers their action steps. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a complete professional coloring book with coloringbook.ai and publish it on Amazon KDP. From idea to income, all in under 8 minutes. If you follow these steps, you could have your first book live on Amazon this week. And once it's up, it can keep selling for years. So go try coloringbook.ai today and see what you can create. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Now, go make your book.